Hi guys, so last month my friends and I decided to visit Thiririka Waterfalls in Gatundu and take a few pictures. So we met up at around 2 p.m, did some drone setup as the ladies did their makeup. After some time, we finally began our journey, which was a 40 minutes drive from Kiambu.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
We finally made it to the falls, although a bit late. Either way, we couldn't change the plan. We had to set up our cameras and get a few shots.
Trust my intuitions always. I'm not superstitious. I got lucky. Stole your heart and it was meant for the taking.
Unipeleka wapi kwa WhatsApp ama wapi?
Yangu tu ya WhatsApp.
And there's this new friend that we met who really wanted to test our juice.
Unasikiaje?
Angalia unayo.
Nedoro.
Shooting in the dark, in the middle of the forest, with the risk of creepy animals, the sliding stones, and the cold temperatures in the falls, was quite an experience that I will never forget.